Do you know what is backbiting? قال الله ورسوله عالم. They say Allah and His Messenger know the best. قال ذكرك أخاك بما يكره. You are talking about your brother in his absence in such a way which he does not like. قال أفرأيت إن كان في أخي ما أقول. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, what's your opinion if I actually find that failing in my brother which I have mentioned of? إن كان في أخيه ما تقول فقد اغتبه وإن لم يكن فيه فقد بهته. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if you actually find that failing in your brother what you have asserted, then in fact you have backbited your brother. And if that is not the case, then you have made a big